Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing slash try on slash review. Now, if you caught the PR video from last week, I mentioned these and I briefly went through them with you. Today, we're actually going to try them on, and this video will be specifically for this brand, YEOREO. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I will put it on the screen for you to read, but they are a workout clothing company, and they sent me one of each of their newest releases, and I'm so excited. And I don't think I need any more introduction. Let's get into it. We have got so many pieces here, and I do want to point out the fact that everything is black. I asked specifically for all black. Anytime I try to go with colorful stuff, it always just looks kind of weird on my body shape, and I feel like black makes me look skinnier. So yeah, let's just dive right in. Here's the first thing up. Now, like I said, if you did catch that video, you will kind of already have a heads up on what each piece is. But this first piece up is so cute. These are a pair of biker shorts. It has the ruching in the back and these little buttons and pockets. So adorable. So freaking cute. I love that it has the V in the front with the little crossover pattern. So stretchy. The material feels really, really nice. And then let's go ahead and just continue. And then we will save all of the try-on parts at the end of the video. So stay tuned for, stay tuned for that. This has a card. I think all the other ones had a card too, but whenever I share that in the other video, I will link that PR video in case you missed it. Fun fact, I do PR videos at the end of every single month. And so if you kind of want to see what is sent to me through PR, through complimentary gifts with brands that I work with, be sure to catch that video because I try to put things out there first and then disperse it throughout the rest of my platforms. Also, I will have my platforms listed in the description box, so you can check those out too. Okay, here is a one-piece romper set. I guess, would you call it a romper or a jumpsuit? It's like a one-piece, except for its pants. We have a tank top situation. It's an open back. Like this goes across the top. This is the back. I know it doesn't look like much on camera. I will try it on. They come with built-in pads. Let's see. Are they removable? They are removable. Next piece. Okay, this is a shorts jumper or one piece. This one is slightly different than the other one. This has a halter neck. So freaking cute with the V-neck. The back is open and it has this bra strap. It's almost like a bikini strap, to be honest. Here's the shorts again in the back. It has the ruching detail. Now this, I think the science behind doing this is supposed to make your hiney look really good. Next piece. Okay, this is another one piece. Now this is just like the pants, only it's the shorts version with the tank top, the wider strap in the back, again with the ruching. And then we have another pair of shorts. Let's see, that's the back. Here's the front. These are kind of concerning to me because I asked for size medium and the compression is so good in these. I really hope they fit. I think that's the only thing that really scares me about this. Here's the backside again with the ruching, hoping to make the booty pop. So the band on these shorts is more of a ribbed, stretchy type elastic. The band on this other pair, it's not like that at all. It is stretchy. It is a little thinner material compared to this, but these seem like there's more compression that's going to suck you in and hold you in compared to this. But I think that this V is going to be so flattering on. Let's go try all of these pieces on and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, so here is the full body, full length one piece. Again, all of these are size medium. This fits really nicely. It's very comfortable. This is with the padding in it. Here's the back. It feels very, very soft. The material, can you see how stretchy this material is? Let's take these out. Here it is with the paddings pulled out. Still fits really nicely. It still looks really good. I love this V detail in the back. Now we have the one that's exactly like the previous, only it's the shorts version. Like everything is exactly the same. The neckline, the back, the V detail. It feels and fits exactly the same, only this is shorts and that's pants. Okay, so I added this mesh top to kind of give you an idea how you can still wear the whole bodysuit underneath if you're not comfortable going with just this like to the gym. And this kind of gives an extra little layer. This is just an idea of what it would look like. You could also do this with the pants, and I didn't think about it until like just now, but you could definitely do this, or maybe even like an oversized t-shirt if you have to go somewhere like after the gym. You can have like a really big t-shirt, and these look literally just like the biker shorts, so you should be fine with like your tennis shoes and a t-shirt. Nobody would ever think anything out of the ordinary about it. Now this is the third one piece, the second shorts version. This one is so cute. I love this one. It looks like a spaghetti strap or like a bathing suit strap in the back with a halter neck. It also has adjustable straps. Let me see if you can see. It has adjustable straps around the neck and the back. It has a very deep V cut, as you can tell. It has the V in the back with the ruching. Okay, these are the shorts that I just think are the cutest. And I was absolutely correct about this little V crossover in the front. The sides sit up really high-waisted right on your waistline, which, fun fact, the waist is the smallest part of the torso. And so whenever the high-waisted bottoms come up to this point, it just makes you, it draws the eye here. It keeps you looking very thin. This V goes along with the same concept as the high waist with the V going down like this. It just makes you look so skinny. Here's the side. Here's the back side with the little pocket. And the pockets are functional. So if you need to put like some cash in there or like a house key or a car key or something like that, very cute. These fit so nicely. And this is the second pair of the biker shorts that I was so scared about. But apparently I was scared for no reason because they fit amazing. They feel really nice. Now the compression is there. Did you hear the pop? Like the compression is there. It's got me sucked in all the right places. They are so comfortable. Now, YEOREO did not send tops, so this top is not part of their collection. I just put the top on for an overall view so that you could get like an understanding. So cute. Here are my final thoughts. I think that they are a great workout clothing brand. They are so soft, extremely stretchy, and the compression is in the right spots. I love how they have the V detailing on both the biker shorts and on the romper or the one piece. I think they're not only cute, but I think they're very practical. They're a pretty inexpensive brand. I will have everything linked below in the description box. You can like peruse their website and check out other things if you want. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Which pieces were your favorite, and do you plan on picking any of these up? Let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.